Hello guys, this is Sami. Today I will be talking about some of stocks which I believe is a good opportunity for buying of them. Based on your portfolio or buying power, you can choose one of them and can expect the gains from what I explain here today. Today I will be explaining from TGT, which is a good stock and its price is performing very good since last April. It's not losing its gains only because of the last uh, drop down, which I believe it was because of the interest rate increase or change. So now currently I'm expecting this stock to be in a good spot because when we connect these lines, it's telling us this is a good support level, but here because it have a small gap up in compared to these two gap ups, we should join these two together to let's see what's our next support level, which technically it's showing we are in a good support level by joining these two lines, and this can be a swing. Most of the time when the price crosses above or find a support at the nearest support level which it had before, a stronger support can be a resistance, which is here. So if this stock, which is currently trending on 17.25, it can be a resistance point too for this stock. So what's the best scenario to buy this stock? I believe if the price break down this pivot point, which is a strong pivot point because it bounced back very strongly and it was broken by the sellers. So I believe if it breaks down this, the next level this price would be trying to reach is this support level, which technically I'm giving you alert for the swing trade of 71 to $81, which approximately 12%, I believe. So just keep it in your watch list. Keep eye on it. If you see any if you guys see any breakout or any after you bought it this spot and you see some changes here, your stop limit should be 67. So if you bought it in 71.2, your stop loss is at 61.53, because if it breaks down this level, there's high possibilities the price is gonna come here, which is $62. So just keep it in your watch list. If you saw it in a swing or in green position, so just get in. And just if in case, if it was able to hold this position, there's high possibilities it can go to this point, which is $198. So just it's a good stock to hold. You will not regret holding it. The next stock that I will be talking about is FLGT. Sorry, these are analyses that I usually do by myself. But anyways, I'm gonna explain what I was doing here. Okay, so FLGT is currently a very high volatile stock, and if I scroll down or zoom out, so I see some support here, which was which the support was broken at this point, and it showed some resistance here, which was not able to hold the gains, again broke out. So now what we are expecting to do with FLGT. So FLGT is currently is responding to this support line, which is here, the previous resistance line, and it's currently showing lower high from this point. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna connect these two trending spots, and here we are gonna connect one another to resistance, which is the two biggest drop downs. So currently it's a breakout zone. So if the price breakout at this point, it is the next level it's gonna come is here. So from 197 to 106, I believe it's a 10% gain. So if the price was able to break out this point, it is gonna come to here. Let me make it a green that you guys should know it's a take profit point, 104. And if it was able to break down at this level before coming back to breaking the 95, so it's the next level is 128. It's gonna hit. but it's gonna go show some resistance in 131 because it's its previous resistance point, but because it's not currently on the downtrend move, so we should not expect a very strong downtrend unless it's gonna until or unless it breaks 103 after reaching to the 112. So it's a kind of risky because it's a very high volatile stock, but the profit is again very good. So if you buy it in 97 and it breaks this point, the 5% gain is here, and after that almost up to 15% gain until to here, and 128 almost 30% gain. So there are three take profit points that you guys should consider at here, and this red line can also be a resistance, but it depends when it's gonna reach here. So the more far away it reach here, the more it's gonna go up. So this is one of the stock that you guys also should consider. The next stock that I'm talking about is 10. 10 is also a good stock. Currently, as we can see, we have a support level here. I mean, we had support level here, which showed some support here, but it was broken down. Let's minimize. Oh, now it looks good. So, but now the price is showing some support for this level, which was its previous swing point after the breaking the pivot point, and the price came up and found some support back on the same spot. Now the price is willing to go back up. So I'm expecting to have some kind of breakout at this point. Let's see if it have broken this point, some support. Let me see. Okay, so here it is. See, here it is. Okay, yeah, the price was broken here, but never took found support after even reaching, but it's still responding to the support line. And here is the second breakout that the price did. Sorry. Um, this is the second breakout that was done by this price. So what are we expecting here? Currently, the best entry point is above this point, which I believe it's very close and it's a good opportunity to buy at this point. And if it crosses this level, the next support level is here, which will we see some type of fighting. You will see the price will be struggling at 95, but don't need to worry, because if it's trying to struggle but did not cross, if it crossed back 91, so you have to close it, because the next level the price will come is this one. So the best thing is to do your entry here and put your, after the price went up from this way, put your stop limit back on the price that you bought. And if it crossed here, it's gonna come to this point. So currently the price is 91 and we are expecting $7 up on this stock. So I believe the price is gonna give you some gains of 8 to 9% at this spot. Just keep it in your watch list and see how much it's gonna grow up. Okay, so this is one of the trending stocks that I love the volatility of this stock. People who really know how to trade with high volatility take a lot of advantages of this type of stock. So let's see what we can find in a higher time frame. Okay, so the price action is very good. It's grown up very good in couple years or couple months. Let's see what can we find here. So this is the last support that I can see before the breakout of this point. This is the second support, and this was the last support breaking. So I'm gonna connect these two to each other. So we found that the price is without reaching to this point, took some support. Let's see where it found support. Not this point, not this point, not this point. So fine. Oh yeah, price found support at this point. Okay, it's the resistance. So if a price found support at the up, it's a good sign. But if the price found at this point support, just do not buy it, because there's high possibility it's going to make short. So currently, if it found at this point, and today it's also trending up, which is a very good sign, because the price shows that it has found made a lower high. lower high, I believe the price is gonna go up more because this is the first resistance. If the price break this point, which we may see that there is no green candle, sorry, red candle at this point. You know what? We are gonna trust buy at this point. Okay. Yeah, so we are gonna trust that buy at this level. So just go and buy. There are two levels that I'm giving you guys to stop loss. You're just in case if things didn't go according to the plan. There are a lot of room that it had met zigzag before reaching to this point, but if you do entry at 50, I'm gonna give you to close it if things go worse at 50, 49. 49, okay, 49, 49, okay, 49, yeah, 49.94 is a good spot. Because if the price comes back at this point, I'm highly expecting that it's gonna find support at here and bounce back. But just in case if it didn't come, it have another room here to bounce back. If just in case it didn't come, it's gonna come here and bounce back. If the price didn't do any of these, so I'm expecting that the price is coming back here and making zigzag here and boom again. So the next level it will find support will be here or here. So just keep it in watch list. Is a good buying spot, and where to take the profit. I believe it's a good place to take profit is 54, which I believe 51 to 54. It's almost like I'm not sure, like maybe 6 to 8% gain. Just keep it to watch list, and it's trending up, which is cool thing about this stock. Okay. Roku is also very high volatile stock. It's a good stock to keep in your watch list. But remember, high volatility stocks are high risky for new beginners or beginner traders. So just play with that with the recommendation of some of your friends or some any professionals. But today I will be giving you some short term trade alerts. So I'm not giving you advice to hold it, but I'm giving you to where to buy if anything goes good and where to sell. So your loss is your responsibility. Okay. So I found one support line at here. I'm gonna join these two support, which was here. So where actually this price is currently showing support. Currently it's showing support at here. No. Okay. So I believe this is the spot that is showing support. Let's see if the price have reached it before at this point. No. So it means that it's not a very strong support, but still the price can find support anywhere they want. So it's not our choice. Let's follow the trend only. So I'm expecting the price to drop down back to this spot if things didn't go well, and if in case it goes break this point is 37, it can come to 46. So it's a good spot to have a short-term trade. But if I was you guys to find the swing trade about this after battling at here, there's high likely the price is gonna go back to its original spot. So just buy here and put your stop limit at here or stop sell, and the price is gonna come to 387, and if it comes back and finds support here, it's gonna go up to 425, and if it was able to hold here for a while, and then it's gonna come here. So it's almost like 30% gain, I believe. So just keep it in your watch list. It's a good stock to hold for a while since it's currently very cheap, and the stop loss or the stop sell point is very close to it. I recommend it to buy. Now is a company that's a good stock. I hope the video is not very long. So now is a good stock to buy, and let's see how it works for us. Okay, so the first thing that I notice it's moving eventually towards up, and currently showing triple bottom in one spot, and made a two pivot breakout, one pivot breakout, and this is the second pivot breakout. So this is the third pivot. If the price goes up from this point, it is trustworthy to buy this stock at this point. I mean, it was, but since we missed it, so I'm gonna say buy the stock at here at 5.9, and it's gonna come up to 5.19. And if it was able to hold 5.19 before breaking back to, for example, 5.9, or just sell it at 5.9 again if the price came down. I strongly believe this because the performance of this stock is very good. It's gonna hold its prices here, but we never know. So just hold it. If it came back to 5.9, just close it, and if it crossed back, put your alert in any apps or alert system that you guys follow the stock, buy back at 5.9. So if it crossed back 5.9, I strongly believe it's gonna come to 5.60. So it's again like 10% or maybe 15% gain in 500. So just keep this in your watch list. These are good stocks to buy. Now I'm talking about two stocks which are penny. What one is SYN. This is for penny lovers. Okay, penny. This morning I noticed this stock that it's making a short. The previous support level was here. Now found a previous support again. The new support at here. So it's a gap of lower high, and also made a trend breakout. So the best places to buy this is at 71. It's gonna come here to 76. If it was able to hold and come back here, if it found support here, it's very good. But your stop limit should be 862. And if crossed back up, the first level this price is going to hit is 97. But in the meantime, it have a trend resistance. There's high possibilities the price when reach to 80 or something 78, it's gonna go down back. So just buy now. The nearest support is 64. If you want to close at 64, that's a good spot or sell spot. Or if you want to take a more risk just to prevent the losses before or pre-market gap ups, so you can put your stop, sell, or sell limit here. These are one of the pennies. Let me check. Where's my other penny that I GNUS? Okay. GNUS. This was a good stock. I was following for a while because I'm not a too much penny trader, but it's good to follow these because you learn a lot from these type of stocks. So currently it's rejected here, which is this price level. And if the price was able to hold above this point after making couple zigzags, it's gonna go up because you know why? This line is very far away. It's almost 30% gain. So the next level the price is gonna hit is this level. So just keep this in your watch list and do not buy it until if it breaks this point. If it breaks 215, it's gonna come to 241. But if not, so just skip this stock. So this was some stocks that I thought it's good to keep it in your watch list. Please subscribe and invite your friends and to our Discord channel, and also I will be sharing some market techniques and other technical tools which I believe for a day trader is very good to and helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next video.